Are you struggling to locate old journal entries in QuickBooks Online? Whether it's for auditing, correcting errors, or just reviewing past transactions, finding those entries quickly is crucial for smooth bookkeeping. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step process to find any journal entry in QuickBooks Online, even the ones from years back. So, let's get started. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your administrator credentials. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and select Accounting. From there, click on Chart of Accounts. Now here's the key step. Locate the specific account related to your journal entry. This might be your general ledger or a particular expense or income account. Click on View Register next to that account. Inside the register, you'll see a list of all transactions. To narrow it down, use the Filter option. Set the transaction type to Journal Entry, and if you know the date range, specify it. This will drastically cut down the list and help you find the entry faster. If you don't remember the exact account or details, don't worry, there's another way. Head over to the search bar at the top right of your QuickBooks dashboard. Type Journal Entry and hit Enter. From here, you can refine your search using transaction dates, amounts, or even memo notes you might remember. Once you find the old journal entry, click it to review the details. You can also print it, export it as a PDF, or make edits if needed, depending on your access permissions. And that's how you can quickly find old journal entries in QuickBooks Online, even if they go back several years. This method saves you time and ensures accuracy when reviewing your books. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with others who use QuickBooks. Got more QuickBooks questions? Drop them in the comments, and I'll cover them in future videos. Thanks for watching.